Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting proof that the mother's name must change: ID, birth certificate, and school records that match the intended name. Once done, prepare a notarized affidavit stating the reason. This supports authenticity. Now log into the CA Foundation registration portal and open the correction request form. Start filling the applicant details exactly as on supporting documents. Make sure uploads are clear. Blurry scans cause rejection, and keep originals handy for later verification. You now focus on the form specifics. Enter your CA Foundation registration number and personal details exactly. Then choose the name correction option and type the corrected mother name precisely. Spelling matters. Upload the affidavit, the ID document, and the supporting certificate, and include a concise explanatory note that ties each document to the change. Once complete, review every field slowly. Mismatches between documents and the form are the most common cause of delays. You finish by submitting the completed form and paying the required correction fee online. Keep the transaction reference. After submission, download the receipt and note the application ID. This is how you track progress. Expect an official response in roughly 2 to 6 weeks. If approved, update other records accordingly. If the application is rejected, read the remarks. Correct the specific deficiency, often a document mismatch or clarity issue, and reapply without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.